let's review how to log into Scratch and use their tutorials to help us learn more about programming. When you get to the Scratch website, don't forget to sign in. Use your username and password. You'll notice that your username will be showing in the top right-hand corner after you've logged in. To get to the tutorials, you're going to go to the Ideas tab and then slide down until you see Tutorials. In this example, we're going to use Imagine a World. Tap on Imagine a World and then tap on Try the Tutorial. Before anything, you want to make sure that you name your program. Name it something that will help you remember exactly what it is. You're going to see the tutorial here. We're going to go over that in just a second. It's also really important to remember that the characters in the program are called sprites. You can add, delete, or change a sprite down here. Right now, this cat is selected. I could get rid of the cat, or I can get a different sprite by tapping this little cat button. I know that I'm going to use these bossy blocks to help write a script in this space. The script is going to tell this cat what to do. The tutorial gives step-by-step directions on how to program. We're going to suggest that you do not use the play button. Instead, use the arrow key. The arrow key gives you one step at a time, and then that's it. So tap the arrow key. The directions are here. You take the blocks and move them over to your script. And after you do that, you can simply go on to the next direction. This tutorial window is movable, so if it's in your way, you can move it. You can also shrink it to make it smaller, and then when you're ready for the next direction, tap Expand. Have fun creating in Scratch.